For Dragonborn Comes, what we're going to do is play with the capo on fret 1. This is going to make it a lot easier to play, although there's a way we can play this without the capo as well, which I'll probably show you. Now that's going to put us in that nice Dorian mode. I'm using a standard tuning. DAD is my standard tuning without the capo on. My shorter ones, of course, are GDG. As long as you're in one of those tunings or a similar tuning, you're in our standard tuning. If you watch my other videos, it's the same tuning I'm using in all those as well. We're going to use the middle string sum, middle string open, and fret 2 past the capo. And then most of it's going to be on that double string. Double string is going to be the top line of the tablature, and the middle string is going to be the second line down in the numbered tablature. Main chords here we have our E, which we're going to be playing just by strumming open. And then a D shape. That's normally our D shape, or 4-3-2 from bass to high, or reverse, you can flip it around. But I'm actually going to be playing a B chord, which is kind of like our D. We just are leaving out the D. So I've got fret 1 on the outside strings and open middle string. So if we were just chording B, our hero claims a warrior's heart, right? We're just alternating between those two chords. Every line's like that. I tell you, the Dragonborn comes. That's the idea. If we're just chording it, those are the only two you need, and they're just going to alternate. Like that. So, you don't have the capo on, you can do that. Just fret the first fret and then open up that bar for the open D. Through most of the song, I'm going to be strumming, especially when I'm on the double string, but otherwise, I'll probably be picking the middle string when it comes to playing the middle string.